Okay, everybody. Hello, it's Frau Brown here. I am missing everybody terribly. This is my very first screencast, so I hope this goes well, and I hope that you guys can follow along easily. So, here's the deal. I think it's time to learn how to do some Google Slides because it's going to help us a whole bunch. If you look over to your waffle over here, I just learned that recently. This is our waffle. And if you click on it, you're going to say, "Hi, Frau Brown, here I am." And we're going to scroll down to this yellow spot here where it says Slides. Click on that. Have a look. Now yours is going to look a little bit different. I have created many Google Slides because it has been helpful, but you guys have not yet. So, up across the top, you're going to have some choices. You might want to start with one that says Book Report. Sure, why not? Let's click on that one. Okay, now, we're not doing a book report. I just wanted to show you how this is all going to work, but that's okay. What I like is over here it starts to give us ideas about what pages could look like. So you can keep them like this or you can change them. That's up to you. Now, if I wanted to give this a title, I could by highlighting it, which means you're holding your mouse down to highlight. There we go, and I can change the words. Hello from Frau Brown. And that's good, but let's pretend I don't want this. I can just hit the delete button on my keyboard. Oops. And it will go away if I highlight the box. Now, the reason we are going to use this is because I think it's going to be a helpful tool for us. Oops, let's switch this back. Frau Brown, change things up. Here we go. So now I can see that I've created a title. Let's focus on one screen right now. If you look up here, these are all of your choices, and I just want to share with you today what the important ones are. If I go to Insert, because I know this is the one that you're going to love, Image. Insert Image is the part where I get to choose a picture. Now, if you have some pictures on your computer, you can upload it from the computer, but let's pretend we are doing something about spring and I need a spring picture. I can search the web. So I'm going to click over here on Search the Web. So Insert, I'm going to put it in, Image, Search the Web. Now look over here, Google is going to look for pictures. Now, if I am doing it on springtime, I can type in spring. Hit enter. Oh, beautiful, beautiful pictures. Okay, let's see. I can scroll, and I kind of love these flowers. So I'll click on them. And down here, hang on, I'm going to scroll down. Down here it says Insert. So I can put it in. Now watch what happens. It's on my picture. Now I can move it around and put it wherever I want. To make it smaller, I just have to scroll my mouse over and I can drag it and make it smaller. I can also make it huge. Look how pretty that is. But let's make it smaller and tuck it into the corner. Okay. Next, let's try something else here. Let's insert again. Hang on, I just have to move something around for myself here. Ooh, gotta slide this back up. Okay, insert. I'm going to go to the web. Now, spring, if you want something more cartoony instead of pictures, type in the word clip art. You can get black and white, but I think I just want spring clip art. Aha, so now I have all these little pictures, and maybe I want to add a tree in the bottom corner. I click on that. Down at the bottom says Insert. and it doesn't show up. So that's the way the computer is sometimes. Let's try a different one. Image, search. I still want a tree now. There we go. Insert. There we go. Now I can make it much bigger. And I'm going to put it over here, but oh, it covered up my words. So what I want to do in that case is right-click on the mouse. Oops, it disappeared. Let's go back. If I ever make a mistake, I just go to this little arrow back here, and then it goes back to the last thing I saw. Okay, click on my tree. There it is. If I go up here to where it says Arrange, I can send it backwards, which is what I want to do, because if I send it backwards, I can put it behind my name. And Frau Brown, I can bring to the front. So now my name isn't behind the tree anymore, now it's in front of the tree. Let's pop this down here. Okay, you can move any of this around, so just play with it, okay? You can do whatever you want. Now, if it's time for you to do some writing, let's just click to the next slide over here. About, what should we write about? Springtime. About spring. And I don't need any of this, so I'm going to click on the box and I'm going to delete it. Now I want to do some writing. I'm going to put in a text box. You can do that up here. Underneath image it says text box, or you can do it over here with this little T, text box. Now you get this little crosshair here, and then you just have to drag it and make it the size you want, and then I can write. I wish I could see the spring birds. Maybe that's all I write. I wish I could see the spring birds. And then I can do some more typing. Springtime is my favorite time of the year. Ooh. There we go. Oh, but do you see that the black is hard to read? I'm going to click on it, highlight it, and up here, when I hover my mouse over top, it tells me what everything does. It says text color. I think I want my text color to be pink. Oh, fancy. Okay, there we go. Now I think maybe, I would like it to be a little bit bigger. Here's my font size. They call the writing, they call it a font. You get a, much nicer. And maybe I'll get fancy and I'll do it, make it look like writing. See that? Now I can enter, insert, image, picture. Springtime clip art is still there. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, maybe I should do birds. Spring, birds, clip art. Ooh la la. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, click on this. Insert. Let's see if it shows up. Hooray! And I can put that underneath. Okay, so I know this is all pretend, and I know that was a lot of information. I just want you to play with it a little bit, okay? Try and make a couple of slides, maybe about what you're doing at home or your favorite animal. Just play with it a little bit, okay? When you are finished playing with Google Slides, you can share it with me. And the way you do that is you go up here and you say share. Right now, it's only for me. If I click share, and you type in Frau Brown's carolyn.brown@epsb.ca and hit send, then I can go in and look at the Google document you've made. So I want you to play with it a little bit, okay? You can't do it wrong. I just want you to give it a try and see where we're at. Okay, everybody, I will check in with you soon, and I hope we get a chance to chat and see what you can do with this. Good luck. Okay, bye-bye.